creator. Madre, creator. I am madre, creator. Madre, creator. Yo soy madre, creator. Nada me puede parar now that I got superpowers in my heart. My body, soul, got the flow, took a note. Here we go, when I'm just getting started. Madre, creator. I am madre, creator. Madre, creator. Yo soy madre, creator. I got moon energy. I'm moving through my body, moving through my body. You can't deny, can't delete me. Nada will stop me. Nada will stop. Estoy aquí, so memorize me. Got my sisters right here. Let's go, mis hermanas. Líderes, dueñas, mis mamis, listas para conquistar azúcar. Madre, creator. I am madre, creator. Madre, creator. Yo soy.
You take advantage. How do I manage dealing with all of your problems? You'll never get it. Not to be timid. Don't really know how to stop it. Do you want something or is it nothing? Don't really know what to call it. Don't have a title, stuck in a cycle, running out all of my options. I think I should be yours. Wouldn't that be great? I gotta say, I mean, baby, I'm insecure. Don't wanna wait, show me the way to your heart. 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 You don't like questions, boy, that's so sad.
Hey, Mr. Sunshine, won't you turn your love my way? You've been holding back your shining all these gloomy days, but I need you, and I need you back to stay. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, with your sparkling kiss of gold, you got all that fiery passion, all hot and aglow. Simmer down now, come around and say hello. You beam through colored raindrops. I still feel you when you're gone. Your heat